Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing great, because today I'm bringing you another very useful, economical, and healthy tip that you can easily use at home. This is one of those simple tricks that helps you save money while keeping your home clean and fresh. So let's get started step by step. To begin, we will need a container. First, add 100 milliliters of water. Regular tap water at room temperature works perfectly fine. Nothing complicated here. Next, we'll need baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the container. Perfect. Now we also need white vinegar. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. And before we continue, tell me in the comments where you are watching this video from on the Continue di Casa channel. I'd really love to get to know you and see how far our videos are reaching around the world. That truly makes me happy. Now we'll also add 4 tablespoons of alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we'll add dishwashing detergent. I'm using this one here, but preferably you can use a neutral yellow detergent. Add about half a spoonful only. And if you already enjoy tips like this, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with as many people as possible. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell, so you never miss any tips. Now I'll transfer all this solution into a spray bottle. If you don't have a sprayer, no problem at all. You can simply use a small container or plate to apply it. It works just the same. Here is the mattress where I'll apply the solution. As you can see, it's not new. I've already used this method before, and today I'll show you again how effective it is. Spray the solution directly onto the darker or yellowed areas. This works on all kinds of stains, especially those yellow marks caused by sweat and natural body oils. After applying, let it sit for about 10 minutes so the solution can penetrate the fabric. While we wait, now gently rub the stained areas. Look at this. It almost looks like magic. In just about 5 minutes, you can already see the stains disappearing. This is a simple and fast way to refresh your mattress, pillows, pillowcases, and any fabric items that have turned yellow over time. I personally repeat this process every 4 months at home, and you can see the results clearly, even though this mattress is not new. Now I'll apply it again to this slightly yellowed area here. Moisten the cloth again and gently clean the surface. The difference becomes visible immediately. Look at the contrast, incredible, right? You can really see how deeply it cleans the fabric. Try this method at home, test it yourself, and then come back here to tell me your results in the comments.